Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Jagdale. Today's topic the casualty assessment. Casualty assessment is an integral component of the medical review process, and it is and determine the possibility of an association between the intake of the drug and occurrence of the adverse event in individual patient. And objective of the casualty assessment to casualty assessment is to establish the relationship between the drug and the event. Then the it is a help in a signal detections, evaluate risk and benefit of a drug, also help in evaluating adverse drug reaction report in a early warning system for regulatory purpose. And then the methods of the casualty assessment is there are global introspections. in this method in this method, it is a introspection. It is a process assessing casualty based upon the clinical judgment of the individual or by panel who have a expertise in the field of a specific adverse drug reaction. And second method is the WHO UMC system. This method was developed in consultation, uh, uh, used in the consultations with national center participating in this program for the international drug monitoring. This purpose is used in a WHO UMC system. Then six different categories of the casualty. Six different casualty of the There are six different casualty of the classification based upon the strength of association between the drug and adverse reactions, between the drug and adverse event. It is a method that globally accepted. It is a method that globally accepted. It is a practical that for detecting unknown and unexpected adverse drug reactions. The assessment is based on four criteria. That first is the time relationship between the drug and between the drug use and the adverse event. Then the absence of other competing causes, that is medication and the any diseases. Then the response to drug withdrawal, or dose reduction, that is a D challenge. And the response to drug readministration, that is the re challenge. Then the level of casual association is grouped in, the level of casual association is grouped into four categories based on the number of above criteria being to met. That is a certain, probable, possible, unlikely, unclassified, and the unaccessible. In the certain criteria, when all four criteria are present, that is A, B, C, and D. Example of this certain criteria: injection site reaction after 30 seconds following a subcutaneous injection. And then the probable when criteria A, B, C are met. Example, diarrhea with ampicillin. Then the possible when only criteria A is met. Example, abnormal liver function test abnormal liver function test after taking antihistamine. Then the to unlikely in this no criteria yet. And example colon cancer diagnosed after three doses of an antibiotic. Then uh, then the unclassified applied when more data is needed, and data is being sought or is already under examinations. Then the unaccessible unaccessible in this when the information in a report is a incomplete or a contradictory, and cannot be verified, then it is a unclassifiable. Mm, then Naranjo algorithm method. Naranjo algorithm is the questionary for determining the likelihood of whether adverse drug reaction is due to the drug, or due to the drug or due to the alternative factors. It's assign probability of causations via scoring system that term is a probability as a that is a definite, probable, possible, and doubtful. The scoring criteria: definite adverse drug reaction is smaller than a 9, and the probable adverse drug reaction is a 5, in between 5 to 8. A possible adverse drug reaction in between 1 to 4, and doubtful adverse reaction is the 0. Thank you.